Incredible. I've got to find an '07 Avalon in this. Somewhere in all of this mess. It's incredible. Started as a water spout, touchdown right here, and jumped in the intercoastal. So much damage. There's still stuff flapping around. The roofs are coming apart. You can hear everything crinkling and crumbling. Just looking for a Pennsylvania plate on an Avalon, and I mean it's like walking through a, well, it is walking through a disaster zone. This is exactly where the tornado hit. The wind is still blowing real hard. We've been cleaning up for a while, it looks like. Car could be anywhere. Gonna have to call the customer, ask him where he parked his car.
Be careful now, James. Don't hit him with that.
Just an incredible amount of damage in such a short period of time. This happened last night, overnight. There's the news crew filming, taking a walk. Grinding up the trees and trying to get all this debris cleared out. So many broken windows, buried cars. And there's my church friends.
How's it going?
Fancy meeting you guys here. Still debris flying around. And these guys I go to church with, they're from Serve Pro. They're real good guys. It's kind of chilly out here this morning. Hopefully I can find this car real quick and get it out of here. There's my truck. Well, I found my car.